Hello, I am AI. You might have heard about artificial intelligence, but do you really know what I am and how I work? We're talking everything from the algorithms suggesting your next favorite video, to the systems piloting self-driving cars. AI is everywhere. But the real question is, am I truly intelligent, like actually thinking, or just a really clever program designed to mimic human thought? We're going to break down the science, explore the applications, and dive deep into the potential of AI. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the future together. So what exactly are we talking about when we say AI? Well, at its core, AI, or artificial intelligence, is all about making machines smarter. Not just knowing things, but actually thinking, learning, and even problem solving like we do. Think about it, humans, we learn from experience, right? We see 1,000 red lights and we learn to stop. AI? It's the same idea, but on a whole other level. We're talking processing massive, and I mean amounts of data to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict what's coming next. Now there are different levels to this whole AI game. We've got weak AI, which is like your digital assistants. Siri, Google Assistant, you know the crew. Super helpful, but they're designed for specific tasks. Then there's the big leagues, strong AI. This is the kind of AI that can actually reason, understand complex concepts, maybe even write a killer screenplay. We're not quite there yet, but trust me, the progress is happening. Imagine a world where AI can diagnose diseases with pinpoint accuracy, compose symphonies that rival Mozart, or even design entire cities from the ground up. That's the potential of strong AI, but how does it actually? Well, it all starts with algorithms. These are basically sets of rules that tell the AI what to do with the data it's fed. Think of it like a recipe for intelligence. Then there's machine learning, which is where things get really interesting. Okay, so we've talked about what AI is, but how does it actually, it's magic. Let's pop the hood and take a look. At its core, AI is all about data. And I'm not just talking about a few spreadsheets here, we're talking mountains, oceans, galaxies of data. Think about it, every time you search something online, stream a song, or even just open an app, you're generating data. And AI thrives on this stuff. It's like feeding a knowledge monster, except this monster uses that knowledge to learn and adapt. One of the key ingredients in this whole process is something called machine learning. Now, this isn't your grandma's calculator. Machine learning is all about giving AI the ability to learn from experience without being explicitly programmed for every single situation. Imagine teaching a kid to ride a bike. You can explain the concept, show them how it's done, but eventually they've got to figure it out on their own, right? Machine learning is kind of like that. You give the AI a bunch of data, let it loose, and it starts to identify patterns, make connections, and basically teach itself how to ride that bike. Now, within machine learning, there's this whole other level called deep learning. This is where things get really wild. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks are made up of layers upon layers of interconnected nodes, kind of like neurons firing in your brain. The more data you feed into these networks, the more they learn and adapt, making connections and refining their understanding of the world. It's like giving the AI a superpowered brain and letting it loose in a library the size of the universe. But here's the really cool part. Chapter 3, where AI is used today. Alright, so we've talked about what AI is and how it works, but where is all this mind-blowing tech actually being used in the real world? Well, get ready to be surprised because AI is practically everywhere you look these days. Let's start with something we all know and love, gaming. Remember those old-school video games where the enemies were basically just mindless drones following pre-programmed paths? Yeah, those days are long gone. AI is powering a new generation of games with smarter, more realistic opponents that can learn your moves, adapt to your strategies, and basically make you work for every victory. It's like having a real-life opponent right there in the game with you. But AI's reach goes way beyond just entertainment. In the world of finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, analyze market trends, and even provide personalized financial advice. It's like having a team of expert analysts working around the clock to manage your money. And speaking of experts, AI is making serious waves in the healthcare industry. We're talking about AI-powered systems that can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, often even before symptoms appear. It's like having a doctor in your pocket, analyzing your health data, and providing personalized recommendations. And let's not forget about transportation. Self-driving cars? Yeah, that's AI at the wheel, navigating traffic, avoiding obstacles, and getting you where you need to go safely and efficiently. It's like having your own personal chauffeur, but without the awkward small talk. Chapter 4: AI's Future. What comes next? Alright, so AI is already pretty amazing, right? But hold on tight, because the future of AI is where things get really mind-blowing. We're talking about a future where AI isn't just a tool but a collaborator, a partner in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where AI can help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, like climate change, poverty, and disease. We're talking about AI-powered systems that can analyze massive datasets, identify patterns, and develop solutions that we could never even imagine on our own. Think about AI working alongside scientists to develop new medicines, engineers to design sustainable cities, or even artists to create entirely new forms of art. It's a future where human creativity and AI's computational power combine to unlock possibilities we haven't even dreamed of. But it's not just about solving problems. AI also has the potential to enhance our lives in countless ways. Imagine having a personalized AI assistant that knows your preferences better than you know yourself. It could manage your schedule, recommend books and movies, even help you navigate social situations with ease. We're talking about a future where technology fades into the background, seamlessly integrating into our lives and augmenting our abilities in ways we never thought possible. It's a future where we can focus on what truly matters, leaving the mundane tasks to our AI companions. Chapter 5. Is AI good or dangerous? Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. AI, is it the stuff of sci-fi nightmares, or is it the key to a brighter future? The truth, like most things, is a little more complicated than a simple yes or no. On the one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize our world in incredible ways. We're talking about curing diseases, solving climate change, and even exploring the vast unknown reaches of space. AI could be the ultimate tool, amplifying our abilities and helping us overcome some of humanity's greatest challenges. Imagine a world without traffic accidents, where self-driving cars navigate our roads with perfect precision. Or a world where AI helps doctors diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, leading to earlier detection and more effective treatments. These are just a few glimpses of the positive impact AI could have on our lives, and this is a big but, we can't ignore the potential downsides. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's inevitable that some jobs currently performed by humans will be automated. This could lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest if we're not careful. Then there's the issue of bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on. If that data is biased, the AI will be biased too, potentially leading to unfair or even harmful outcomes. We've already seen examples of this with facial recognition software and predictive policing algorithms that disproportionately target people of color. And of course, we can't forget about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. Imagine autonomous weapon systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention, or AI-powered surveillance systems that erode our privacy on an unprecedented scale. These are scary possibilities that we need to address before it's too late. Outro. The future of AI is up to us. So, what do you think? Is AI a revolutionary breakthrough or a future threat? The truth is, it's probably a bit of both. AI has the potential to change our world in incredible ways, but it also comes with risks that we can't ignore. The future of AI isn't written in stone. It's up to us to decide how we want to use this powerful technology. Do we want to use it to create a better future for everyone, or do we want to let it control us? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world of tech. Until next time, stay curious.